It's not bad, but yeah, like you said, it's just not really good for the person working on it.
Down there, or you did something to that seal, you're flooding the home. Where you put this whole piece in, you got everything brand new. Okay, so this, so when you order this sub-assembly, you're getting this bracket, you're getting this, you're getting this, you're getting your drain pump. It's everything except for this is the only thing that you don't put on, you have to take off and put on. There you go. That's how easy it is to do a tub. Unfortunately, yes, you have to take everything off apart, but you see how easy it was.
Yeah.